There are many mason jar products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best mason jars from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Yaboda Mason Jar. Rating 4.6. The canning jars are made of BPA-free, toxic-free, lead-free glass to ensure food-grade safe, and the high visibility allows you to see what's inside jars with airtight lids. Besides, a full wide mouth design makes it easy to fill up, empty, and clean to make sure it's safe for the refrigerator and dishwasher. Silver split-type lids for 32-ounce mason jars made of food-safe metal screw band are corrosion-resistant with the right sealing compound to ensure leak-proof that keeps air and excessive moisture out, prolongs the shelf life of contents inside, locks in nutrients, freshness, and flavor without any worry of spills. The mason jar's 32 ounces with lids can be used for homemade candles, wedding and party favors, and flowers. Moreover, you can paint and decorate the classic mason jars with wide mouths whenever you want and use them to create DIY arts and crafts for home decoration. Number 4. Scosche Mason Jar. Rating 4.6. 24-pack 8-ounce mason jars with 24 labels. Perfect for preserving and canning enthusiasts. This canning jar is shaped and sized for canning homemade pickles, peaches, peppers, jams, jellies, preserves, tomato sauces, salsa, broths, and a variety of other foods. These mini glass jars have a special style, attractive. A variety of uses, such as party favors, craft or office supplies, decorative projects, or homemade goodies. Make a thoughtful gift. Fill with preserves, spices, jams, candles, or honey. Decorate with string, ribbons, or twine to create one-of-a-kind favors. Elegant design glass jars. These mason jars have an elegant design. The mason jars have clear, transparent glass. The jelly jars come with regular silver lids. Use the mason jars to make unique creations and gifts. Perfect for any occasion or party, and as a unique gift. Great for food storage. Durable glass that will not break easily is also dishwasher safe. Number 3. 2-pack large mason jars. Rating 4.7. Our glass jars with airtight lids come with a tightly sealed lid to ensure your ingredients stay fresh and flavorful for longer, making it ideal for storing cider, sun tea, kombucha, limoncello, juice, and more. With a generous 4.3-inch, 11 centimeters, wide mouth, this mason jar with a handle is perfect for all your storage needs. Whether you're grabbing a handful of snacks or washing it out, the wide opening saves you time and effort. Featuring a convenient built-in handle and a space-efficient square shape, this wide-mouth glass food container can be easily held, dispensed, and hand-washed, yet is small enough to fit perfectly in the refrigerator door. Enjoy hassle-free storage and keep your kitchen organized with this smart design. Precision matters. The large mason jar with a wide mouth is equipped with clear measurement markings, allowing you to see and measure the contents easily. Number 2. Nedney Mason Jars. Rating 4.7. Made with premium BPA-free and lead-free food-grade glass, ensures long-lasting durability and offers a clear view of contents, preserving the freshness and integrity of stored food. This specially designed lid ensures an airtight seal, keeping contents fresh for longer and preventing any leaks. Whether you're on the move or packing a lunch, it provides a hassle-free transport experience. The unique recessed top allows for easy stacking, optimizing storage space without risking stability. The edge guard on the lid adds an extra layer of safety. These jars aren't just for yogurt and oatmeal. They're also perfect for homemade jams, pickles, sauces, smoothies, desserts, and even DIY crafts. Whether you're preserving, presenting, or storing, their design fits seamlessly into any setting. Number 1. Wide Mouth Mason Jars. Rating 4.7. The 16-ounce mason jars with lids are made of high-quality food-grade glass, BPA-free and lead-free, durable and sturdy for daily use. The transparent wall allows you to clearly distinguish what is inside. Note: the jars are safe for the dishwasher and microwave, but without the lid. To freeze, fill less than 12 ounces. The silver split type lid of canning jars consists of a screw band and a flat metal disc with a silicone sealing ring on the rim, which can tightly seal the jar mouth and prevent air and excessive moisture from entering. No leakage, no spill, and keep fresh for longer. These pint mason jars with a 2.95-inch diameter wide mouth are easy to fill or empty drinks, fruits, veggies, herbs, sauces, and spices. Dishware safe makes them have no trouble cleaning up, and it's also convenient to clean all corners of the jars by hand with our bonus sponge brush. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.